Imagine stepping into a home that feels like a retreat, a place where modern elegance meets rustic charm, and every corner whispers tranquility. Today, we're about to explore a breathtaking Mediterranean-style house that combines the best of both worlds. Get ready for some serious home inspiration. Welcome to Home and Garden Tips. If you're a fan of stunning architecture and interior design that feels both timeless and fresh, you're in the right place. Our tour today highlights a Mediterranean-inspired home that's as warm as it is sophisticated. From graceful arched windows to lush gardens, this house embodies the perfect blend of rustic and modern design. Let's start with the exterior. This home captures the essence of Mediterranean architecture with its stucco walls and terracotta-tiled roof. The earthy tones give it a cozy, grounded feel, while the clean, modern lines add a contemporary touch. Every element has a purpose, creating a balanced look that feels inviting from the moment you arrive. One of the highlights of this design is the windows indoors. The arched windows add a soft, romantic vibe, reminiscent of Mediterranean villas. These large openings not only bring in natural light, but also frame views of the surrounding greenery, connecting the indoors with the beauty of nature outside. The wrought iron details add that touch of rustic elegance, tying the whole aesthetic together. The color scheme here is simple yet powerful. Think warm neutrals like soft beige and creamy white, mixed with earthy browns and rich greens. These colors give the home a sense of peace and relaxation. Materials like natural wood and stone enhance the rustic feel, while minimalist furniture and decor keep it modern and uncluttered. No Mediterranean-style home is complete without outdoor spaces to relax and entertain. This house features cozy balconies and patios, perfect for enjoying a morning coffee or a sunset view. Surrounded by lush greenery, the outdoor spaces feel like a private oasis, providing a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. The lighting in this home is all about creating mood. Warm, ambient lights bring a cozy glow to each room in the evening, making the space feel intimate and inviting. During the day, natural light fills the rooms, thanks to those large windows. It's a perfect balance of function and aesthetics, setting the stage for relaxation. If this tour inspired you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to channel name for more design inspiration, and let us know in the comments which feature you love the most. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tour.